With great honor, we're invited to this Forgotten Corner exhibition. All the art installations are inspired by the refrigerators. We have long neglected to pay attention to the forgotten food.
So this is my work. I call it Strawberry Fuse Now Forever. So what I do is the most basic skill, which is doing nothing. Until one day you realize that they're perfectly rotten already. I guess that's just a pure talent.
Oh boy, it's a cute little pumpkin. To have it, you just have to buy it. But it requires some skill sets as well. Look, it looks cute on the outside, but once you cut it open, ew!
Il faut acheter le matériel pour Halloween. Mais tu vois, c'est pas juste acheter. Il faut des compétences. C'est bien vu de l'extérieur, mais quand tu l'ouvres,
I value color arrangement very much. My work can only be achieved by matching high sugar and high moist fruits together. However, you do need certain skills such as poor packaging and forgetting about it to just really get the essence of the art piece.
حول هذا نعم أمي ترسل لي الكثير والكثير من البرتقال. ليس لدي مكان لأضعهم فيه. ثم أدركت إنه ضاع. لذلك ها أنا الآن في عملي.
So I like to say what's hanging around, just like the hanging tomatoes. When you see them hanging there, you kind of think, am I hanging around too? What am I doing with my life? I mean, it's wild, really.
Jeder in der Stadt weiß, dass ich Pizza liebe. Aber keiner weiß, dass ich sie auch studiere. Ich weiß, Pizza besteht aus Eiweiß, Gemüse, Soße. Das ist die perfekte Mischung, um einen schönen Schimmelpilz zu entwickeln.